Hello and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you about the Ford Endeavour review. So let's go. Our first and the most main point will be your subscriptions. Most of the videos you see of mine, you just see it. You do not subscribe. So subscribe, comment and share as well. It's a big and burly SUV. It's got a massive engine. It's an American as it can get. I think you'll have a fair idea what I'm talking about if you thought it's the Ford Endeavour. Then you are right. The Ford Endeavour has just got a facelift and a bunch of features added. But does it make this mammoth of an SUV any better? Well, we make answering that questions a whole lot easier by telling you the 5 things that work for the Endeavour and 2 things that don't, pros and cons. So let's talk the first pro actually. Power. If you think SUV it's got have power, right? And the Endeavour has it by bucket loads. I mean, just hear out these numbers: 3100cc 5 cylinders, 197 bhp and 470 Nm of torque, and that makes the Endeavour the most powerful SUV in its class 40 lakhs, and it feels it too. Floor the throttle and the Endeavour sits on the haunches and charges ahead, and even feathering the throttle canters it along effortlessly. Seriously, mild muncher this. Second will be of the pro will be the ride quality. With the amount of travel in the Ford Endeavour has, it feels like nothing can upset it. Going over really bad sections of the road or even where the road did not exist, the Endeavour will do the job as well. So yes, it does kick up its rear if you fall to spot a speed breaker. If other than that, it's a brilliant car. Even on the winding roads, the turn-ins into the corner isn't exactly slow, and for a big body ladder frame chassis SUV riding on high profile tires, it's quite impressive. Now the third one, off-roading capability. Now the Endeavour might boost this executive look, especially in the new diffuse silver shade, but make no mistakes, it's one serious off-roader. The 3.2 liter engine comes with terrain management system as standard. It has 3 specific off-road modes, bearing the auto mode. In sand mode, throttle mode response is more direct, and ESP allows more slip in snow or mud. The throttle response is standard, but the ESP is more alert, and in rock mode the throttle response is dual, while 4x4 low allows for higher torque multiplication in lower gears to improve tractability over rocky terrains. This, along with high ground clearance and excellent approach and departure angle, gives the Endeavour some serious off-road credibility. So let's move to the infotainment system. The infotainment system that this car gets has an updated infotainment system. Now gets an 8-inch screen, while is the highlight here. Now boosting the Sync 3 screen resolution looks good. Touch response is immediate, and sound quality for the system is outstanding. In terms of features, all the prefix are there. It gets various media inputs. There's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's inbuilt navigation, and it doubles up as the reversing camera screen as well. So now to the next point, a long list of handy features. The Endeavour comes loaded with a long list of important and handy features. It now gets a start-stop button, hands-free power tailgate, semi-autonomous parking system, 3-zone climate control and auto headlamps and wipers, and have very smart noise cancellation features. Safety is covered well too. ABS along with EBD gives, but you also get hill launch assist, TPMS and hill descent control. So let's move to the negatives. Noise and vibes. At the stated cruising speeds, the Endeavour is pretty silent, but it gives a footful of gas and the engine gets pretty loud. It whooshes and whines and continues. Still the throttle uses became steady. So let's move to the next part of the negativity. Fuel economy. Big engine, Sapic torque converter, gearbox over 2.4 tons of weight to haul. Fuel efficiency is bound to take a hit. 7 kilometers per liter in city and 10.9 kilometers per liter on highway. The Endeavour isn't the most fuel efficient SUV out there for sure. The conclusion: Endeavour then is an ideal vehicle for a big family who don't mind getting adventurous. It looks imposing, capable on and off-road, and is extremely well spaced too. Yes, there are a few hiccups, but overall, the Endeavour makes a compelling package. We hope you liked my video. So, bye. The video has been ended. That's the wrap up for today. Comment, like, and share, and just comment me in the comment section in which topic you want my next video to be. This is Sarthak from Auto by Sarthak, and